What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. Today we're going to be going over AMC stock and the best options plays that you should do right now for AMC. So AMC, it's had a little bumpy week today, this week, down around 11%, down from $7. So it's not a big deal. We're still in this mid $50 range, so I'm still pretty confident, and I'm still holding my AMC positions. Down $1,100, but also up $300 in my cash secured put. And that's actually what we're going to be getting into today, the best options plays that you should be doing. So AMC, it's having a bumpy week. Ended Friday a little in the red, down 4%. But the good news is we're still above $50. We're still in this mid $50 range. And AMC is just in a consolidating phase right now. If we take a look at the 1 month chart, AMC is remaining pretty flat. So it's pretty healthy. I think this is pretty healthy price action, and it's just waiting for a pop. Because every time that AMC ends up going upwards, then AMC ends up falling right down just a little bit. The short sellers are doubling down, which is why a lot of the times when AMC sees a big run up, a lot of these short sellers double down on their shorts, and we're seeing a huge increase in short interest right now. So we're pretty confident as apes holding our shares. Just keep buying up those dips. And the good news is, like, every time AMC dips a lot, it just got bought right back up. So a lot of the retail investors see this as a good buying opportunity, and eventually that AMC is going to be owned by the majority of retail investors. Right now, it's over 80% of retail investors own AMC, and we're going to see this number be a lot higher as time goes on, as we keep buying more and more shares and more of the dip. So I'm going to be holding my shares for now. But let's get back into this video. The best option play that you should do on AMC right now. So as we mentioned earlier, we're in this consolidation phase, and the best way to play options when something is consolidating is to sell options. It's not to buy options. You're going to lose a lot of money on your options. Calls and puts are both losing money. So the best way would be to sell covered calls or sell cash secured puts. If you're already holding a bunch of AMC shares, if you hold at least 100 shares, you can sell a covered call. And something like a July 9th expiration date would be pretty good, which is 2 weeks out from now. And we'll just go to sell and call. If this is going to be the covered call, so you could do something like go up the strikes a bit, maybe like an $80 strike covered call. You collect $240 of premium in just 2 weeks. So this is just a little way to collect some nice premium while AMC is consolidating. So that is also really good for you. As we can see, it's down maybe 25% today because during flat days like this, these call options as well as put options also lose a lot of value. So an $80 strike seems pretty reasonable to sell. If AMC goes above $80 on an expiration July 9th, you're going to have to sell your shares at $80 each, which is not that bad, assuming that's a $30 jump in price. So you're going to be making a lot of money on your shares due to stock appreciation. And you also get to pocket the $240 of premium. But if you don't have any shares, you want to do options, you have a few $1,000s lying in your buying power, July 9th would be a good expiration date. You go to the sell, you go to the puts, and we'll scroll down the options chain. Something like a $45 cash secured put would be pretty good, which is $10 from the current stock price, just sitting under $55. And you'll collect almost $300 of premium for selling this contract. This means that if AMC stays above $45 by July 9th, you make $300. And if AMC drops below $45, you get to buy 100 shares at $45, which is essentially buying the dip. It's a win-win situation. It's either you pocket the premium or you buy shares at a cheaper price. That's why cash secured puts are my favorite strategy, and it's helped to grow my account pretty big over the past year. I'm up around $20,000 in the past year, just doing a lot of selling cash secured puts as well as covered calls. So don't be afraid if you get assigned, because it's going to be a good price point to own AMC shares at. But regardless, either situation, you are going to be pocketing that $300 of premium, regardless if you get assigned or if it expires worthless. And of course, you can always close out these contracts before expiration date, so you don't get assigned, or if you just want to release your collateral. Because remember, you do need to put down collateral equal to 100 times the strike price, so you will need about $4,500 of collateral to put down. But yeah, this is my favorite strategy. AMC is pretty much consolidating. It's really relatively flat. Stays within this $55 range. So selling options would be a very good strategy to play on AMC. So leave a comment down below what your thoughts are on this strategy, what videos you want to see. Leave a like if you like this, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.